Okay, students. So now we are going to start a mock interview for our student Avinash Burma, and this mock is for NITIE Mumbai. And Avinash is from electrical background. So Avinash, first of all, introduce yourself.
Sir, first of all, thank you for giving me an opportunity to introduce myself. I am Avinash Kishore Verma, and my hometown is in Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. But I was born and brought up in NTPC Dadri Township. During my childhood, my father always encouraged me towards holistic personality development, and I really enjoyed it. While I was in my school, I participated in a lot of extracurricular activities. Like I was among top 50 students in India competing for the National Bal Shri Award. I have also done 4 years of senior diploma in fine arts. During my 10th class, I used to wonder about the alternative and creative ways of energy generation. That's why I took electrical engineering for my graduation. I did it from KNIT Sultanpur, which is a state government college in Uttar Pradesh. In my college, I was class representative. As I was passionate towards fine arts, I joined the fine arts club of my college. I was co-executive, senior executive, and finally event manager there. So I was just a member and also a team leader. It helped me to inculcate several managerial skills. While all this, I maintained a decent CGPA as well as got 3 consecutive years of UP government merit scholarship. I am well versed in my projects as I have done my minor project on solar panel cooling. I have done my major project on a digital face selector. And during my GATE preparation, I had a soft corner towards entrepreneurship, and I'm a passionate stock market investor also. And also I would like to add that in second year of my college, I started a worldwide art sharing platform on Instagram, which has currently 78,000 users. So that's it, sir.
Okay, so Suvya ma'am, you can
continue. Avinash, tell me, you mentioned about the Fine Arts Club, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What is it about? What did you work and what it has aim to do?
Actually, our college has, like, in every 2 years, we have a like all India level art festival type of a thing. So I was the event manager, and also I used to recruit the freshers also, and all the decoration work and all whatever such type of things which happened, I used to do. I used to manage, and first I used to do, and under the guidance of my seniors, then I was the leader. So I used to manage all that.
Okay, what kind of leadership skills you think you have inculcated?
First of all, ma'am, that I feel that I just realized that I have a good time management. I have good time management skills, and also I can work under pressure. And when I was a worker, I used to see that sometimes I have a MATLAB workshop or something, but our seniors used to force us to just do the artwork. But I never did that. I used to prioritize everyone's time, and we used to do like late night work if our group or our team was busy, and we made quite memorable time, as well as we didn't compromise with anyone's interest.
Okay, your reason to join NITIE Bombay, like what is something that inclines you towards it?
Actually, ma'am, I have seen that since the first industrial revolution 1.0, they have been like the next industrial revolution have been like at a small duration of time. So I know that in India also there will be a like industrial revolution 4.0 was around 2011, and we have already started talking about industrial revolution 5.0. So I want to be a part of that industrial revolution, and I believe that NITIE will be at forefront of it, and it will make me industry ready for that. And I believe that I've quenched the thirst of electrical engineering, and now for techno managerial profile, I need some managerial skills, which NITIE will. There's no one else to provide me better than
What
NITIE.
is something which Avinash has and that is apart different from many others?
Ma'am, I feel that I'm compassionate, because in a team, if I see that someone is not working quite well, then I don't blame him. I just talk to him informally that is someone bullying you, or is there is any problem with you, or the work allotted to you is not according to your skills. So even that person also believes in me, trusts me, and I also feel that I socialize with people quite easily. So it also helps me in my managerial terms.
My last question would be, Avinash, like what is your vision and mission of life?
Ma'am, first my mission is to get into a premier institute like NITIE Mumbai, and I have no biases towards any company. I want to gain some work experience in any MNC, and my vision is life is to be an entrepreneur and service the common people.
Okay, fine, Avinash. Over to you, Tyagi sir.
Okay, Avinash, so you have too much interest in entrepreneurship.
Yes, sir.
So in different IITs, we have several PG programs related to entrepreneurship. Can you tell us some of them?
Yes, sir. Like DOMS IIT Madras, and also we have a recently introduced program in ISC Bangalore also. We have one in IIT Roorkee also.
Any other?
Any other?
Did you apply any entrepreneurship program in any IIT other than NITIE Bombay?
No, sir. Actually, when I was preparing for GATE, I was very well determined towards NITIE because it has a huge alumni base.
No, which
and
is,
all other IITs.
But your passion is entrepreneurship, na? You said
Yes,
you
sir.
want to do some course in entrepreneurship, right? In future, you
Yes,
want
sir.
to be entrepreneur. So specialization must also be, you should have interest in specialization. So you should try all the options. So why did not you try other options?
Sir, actually, when I went through the curriculum of NITIE, especially the PGDIE course, it was so vast. It was having artificial intelligence as well as
It's
sustainability
okay,
management.
but suppose you don't get NITIE, then?
If I don't get into NITIE, I've already planned that I'll get some work experience because I'm a fresher, and I believe that I have that passion to get into NITIE. But if I won't, then I'll try next year with work experience also.
Then you said false statement, na? That
No, sir. My vision is to be an entrepreneur. My mission is first to get those go through that process of learning
but
the
if
skill.
your vision is to become entrepreneur, then why to run behind one college? Why not to get that degree in that domain from some similar college? In IIT
Actually,
Kharagpur also there is one program. In IIT Hyderabad also there is one program. So why did not you try these programs if you have passion about this in future?
because NITIE has been doing this for past many years. So I believe that the launchpad which it will provide to my career will be next to none.
Okay, and you also said that you were having in very much interest in energy generation since
Yes, sir.
your
Yes, sir.
childhood. Okay.
Yes, sir. So
So-
also I have given 2 creative ideas to NTPC, and it has also awarded me for that.
Then
I have given them idea.
why are
of
not you
generating-
trying to get post graduation in energy studies or any energy related program?
Actually,
In
sir,
any IIT you can try.
Actually, sir, since I've started investing, I've been more inclined toward the industrial growth. I've been an active participant since last year towards the stock market, and I've seen a first-hand experience toward all the budding, like the electric sector or all the developing sectors, like Electra and all companies. I've seen them growing, and I feel that
How much
the
time
industrial
should we how much time should we give daily in stock market?
No, sir. It depends, sir. I am an investor. If there is a trader, he needs to give more time. So it all depends that what is your ideal goal to achieve.
And what is the difference between trader and investor?
Sir, actually, trader buys to sell, and investor just invest in the company. He goes through the pain, means the losses. He goes through the profits. He live with that. And actually, it is a short-term goal for a trader.
Okay, so
get a
for
short-term
next
return.
5 years, according to you, what are the best sectors to invest?
Sir, first of all, I think that the battery sector is especially evolving, and also I feel that
So
there are
any
so many
organization,
companies.
any company working in this sector where people can invest?
No, sir. Specifically, there has been a currently, I feel that Tata Motors has been quite promising towards the EV sector, and it has mainly made a horizontal supply chain. Like we have Tata Motors for powering, we have Tata Power for chemical for the batteries, we have Tata Chemicals. So we can see that they are providing.
So for
they have
batteries,
made.
we need lithium, right?
Yes, sir.
So from where we are getting lithium right now?
So actually, we have found some resources in India also, but this is a shortcoming for India because we need to import the lithium, and the world leader is China.
Any alternate source?
Yes, sir.
Other than China, which countries are producing lithium? They can provide us lithium. Any country?
So I've not gone through, but I know that India is like not that rich source of lithium.
Any recent agreement of Indian government with any country in energy sector?
In energy sector, yes, sir. I've heard that in COP26, our Prime Minister Modi said that by 2030, he wants that 50% of our energy needs should be via renewable energy. And also towards the like UN sustainability goals, he gave so many like targets to India for the energy sector to grow.
Okay.
And also
you
recently,
are from Sultanpur,
yes,
right?
Yes, sir. My
So what
college
are the
was
nearby,
actually in
what are
Sultanpur.
the nearby district of Sultanpur?
Sir, we have Jaunpur, we have also Lucknow, we have Varanasi, we have Allahabad,
Okay.
and also Ayodhya.
So
Yes,
any
Ayodhya.
big industrial unit there? Are you aware about in Sultanpur?
Yes, NTPC Tanda is there, like around 115 kilometers from there.
Okay. So what are the main products of NTPC? What is the main work of NTPC? Sir,
actually, I know that quite in detail. Actually, my father used to work for NTPC. So earlier I was in the NTPC Dadri. So they have like three portions. They have the coal power plant, and they also had the gas station. They were also working towards the solar energy. Currently, I am in NTPC Rehan. So they are. We all know that there is a renowned dam, Rehan Dam. So they are working towards the hydrogen energy, also towards the steam power plant via coal.
Okay. Okay, Rajiv sir.
Okay, Avinash.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You have talk a lot about the sustainable energy development, the type of energy we are consuming, and the India should be what you have said in the 2030 we should have.
Yeah, India will reduce renewable energy, like increase its renewable energy to 50% of the total energy needs of India.
So what are the form of renewable energy currently we are using?
The form of renewable energy, like we are using solar, wind, and in 21 India has also given some interest towards the hydrogen-based energy. Also, we have tidal, and yes, sir, and we have also nuclear energy.
Okay, so if I divide the renewable energy resource in the 4 categories, like the purest form of energy, non-purest form of energy, and the semi-purest form of energy, means the carbon emission. How you can differentiate it? Like which form of renewable energy is the purest form, and
yes, sir,
which form is the mixture of the non-renewable and renewable?
So actually, when we are using like a resource like nuclear, so we are generating a waste product. We are generating a byproduct. So it can't be a totally a green form of energy. But whenever we are using like with the help of tide or with the like hydrogen water, the electricity. So there is no byproducts. So where the generation of waste, we can determine that whichever is the cleanest form of energy.
Okay, give the example.
Even in the case
like
of like solar energy.
Yeah, solar energy.
Even in the case of solar energy, after like I've heard that it has life of 25 years. So the like disposal of the solar panels will also be a main concern, because currently we have covered all desert with those solar panels, but we need also think about the proper disposal of that.
Okay, if I want to calculate the power of the solar panel of an area of 1 meter square.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then what are the factors we have to take into the consideration for calculating the power?
So actually, the normal panel company. It of like around 350 watt, and the panel is not that big. So we will just find the power capacity of just one panel and then multiply it with the total area of requirement.
Can you do it the mathematical portion? Suppose the area is A, okay, and the quality of the material, if we take it as a constant of like H, then what are the other factors?
So actually, other main factor towards the solar energy is the amount of solar it is get from. We need to take about like for a portion of something we are having maybe much exposed to sun. We need to also counter of the probability of it.
Okay. This is the last question. Yeah, hello,
Yes,
Avinash. Okay. If I say that if you got a chance to work in the PSU and if you got a chance to work in the production industry, and not in the energy production, like in the from other production where you got the job of the HR or the work profile, like you have to manage the people, while the other profile like you have to work on the instrument and work on the organizing the people for the technical skill, rather than in the other job we have to work on the like the for the soft skill. Which type of job profile should you choose?
Sir, I would currently I would not prefer towards the PSU, considering its growth, because it has like fixed promotional aspects. There is no consideration of your risk or your like challenges in life, and there are like merits and demerits in both the case. Like in PSUs, we have good like professional as well as personal life balance. But in those challenging like those which we talked about, the private jobs or the HR type of jobs, and it has like limitless growth opportunities. There is no ending. Like actually, if I join a PSU, for example, I know will I become in 60 years. But at a profile like HR or in industrial engineering type of a domain, even I don't know. It will all depend on my passion, my hard work. So I would prefer a much challenging type of a role for me.
Okay, then from my side, I'm giving the review. Okay, the way of your answering the
Yes,
question, okay, is good and quite impressive. And the second part, rather than NITIE Mumbai, they are not going to the technical part. But if they go into the technical part, okay, please be very specific about the technical portion. If they ask about the like energy resource, non-renewable resource, then just mention that what are the type of resource and what are the question that I've asked. In the one or two question, it is being seems that you are just mug upping with all the question with the same answer. Okay, that what I observed. Like in all the question, you are not going to be favor of the in any particular portion. Like when I say something, then you would be. It is chance that you go into the middle of the of your answer, but while discriminating of the job, it even seems that you are deviating from the point and you are just making the curse of the PSU job while you are being enhancing the other jobs. Okay, so this is the key thing, that in the interview you should not say anything wrong about any type of job. Okay. Okay. Then from my side.
Okay, Subhya ma'am.
Okay, Avinash. So I feel that your introductory was good and the way you are answering it's quite confident. But the only thing is just add some of the facial expressions. Don't be so reluctant in your face. Otherwise, you're going smoothly and confidently. So add some of the facial and the hand gestures. That's it. Otherwise, it's fine. Okay.
I'm first time giving my interview from my mobile phone. Is the quality okay?
I don't know why there is some kind of a network disruption. Maybe it's from my side or the others. I don't know.
From his side.
Yeah, there is a network disruption on from your side, Avinash. So just check your connectivity tomorrow. If it all soothes out, then only go
अविनाश
for it.
देखो, जो आप चीजें मेंशन कर रहे हो ना,
Yes, sir.
तो उनसे कुछ भी क्वेश्चन बन सकता है। एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप के लिए आप ये बोलो, मतलब ये पहले पॉइंट मेंशन कर सकते हो या बाद में भी अगर पूछते हैं। अभी स्टार्टिंग में आपको इंडस्ट्रियल एक्सपीरियंस लेना है, ठीक है, इंडस्ट्री के अंदर काम करना है, तो उसमें एंट्री का, लर्निंग के बाद उसमें एंट्री का एक बेस्ट ऑप्शन है निटी मुंबई, ठीक है। उसके बाद इन फ्यूचर, मतलब लॉन्ग टर्म में आपका प्लान है 4-5 साल का एक्सपीरियंस लेने के बाद कि अपना कोई स्टार्टअप या कुछ ऐसा एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप का काम शुरू करें।
यस सर।
ठीक है, अदरवाइज वो आपका कॉन्ट्राडिक्ट हो रहा है। जैसे आपने स्टार्टिंग में बोला मेरा पैशन है, तो कोर्सेज उसके लिए अवेलेबल है, तो उसमें आप जान नहीं रहे हो किसी में भी, तो कहीं ना कहीं वो कॉन्ट्राडिक्ट कर रहा है। ठीक है
सर, उसी जाना उसके लिए क्या बोलने वाला।
हाँ, तो इसलिए मैंने बोला ना, आप बोलो कि
नीति मेरी प्रायोरिटी।
हाँ, निटी प्रायोरिटी है, और उसके बाद ये काम करना है मुझे, क्योंकि सर मैं अगर वहां अभी जाता हूँ तो उससे मतलब बहुत ज्यादा मेरे को वो नहीं होगा ना, इंडस्ट्री में एंट्री का इतना अच्छा ऑप्शन वहां से नहीं मिलेगा जितना निटी से मिल सकता है, जितना अच्छा एक्सपोजर यहाँ पे मिल सकता है। और उसके बाद फिर 4-5 साल 6-7 साल काम करने के बाद मैं वो फ्यूचर में फिर प्लान करूंगा उसका एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप का। ठीक है।
यस सर।
और एनर्जी सेक्टर के बारे में, एनटीपीसी के बारे में मेंशन करोगे तो एनटीसी की कैपेसिटी कितनी है, प्रोडक्शन कैपेसिटी कितनी है, ठीक है, और क्या क्या काम करता है, थोड़ा उसके बारे में आइडिया रखना है। एनटीपीसी के बारे में पूछ सकते हैं आपसे, और ये भी पूछा जा सकता है कि एनटीपीसी ज्वाइन करने का मन नहीं करता आपका, आप वहां रहे हो, फादर भी हैं आपके, तो क्या वो आपको अट्रैक्ट नहीं करता कि आप इसको ज्वाइन करें? तो इसके लिए भी रेडी रहना है आपको। ठीक है।
हाँ जी सर।
और फाइनेंस के बारे में आपने डिप्लोमा किया हुआ है, तो उसको एक बार देख लेना, क्या आप चीजें लर्न करी है, उनके बारे में भी कुछ पूछ सकते हैं, छोटा मोटा क्वेश्चन। ठीक है।
ओके जी सर।
जो आप बोलोगे उससे क्वेश्चन बन सकता है, बस ये प्रिपेयर करके रहो बात दिमाग में। चलो, ओके, ऑल द बेस्ट, यू कैन लीव द मीटिंग।
ओके, थैंक यू सो मच।